Ziger fam! Today we are making this cleansing and soothing Ayurvedic clay mask made with pure mint leaf, milk of coconut, and French green clay. Every time I use this mask, I feel my scalp is totally rejuvenated and my hair becomes so much more softer and manageable. I wanted to share this recipe because it's effective and it's a great way to add Ayurvedic ingredients to your self-care routine. This herbal hair mask is ideal for a pre-poo or a co-wash treatment. Pre-pooing is the process of applying a treatment to your hair before the actual shampoo process, and it provides your hair with a protective layer. Co-washing is the process of using a conditioner to cleanse and hydrate your hair instead of using traditional shampoo. To make your mint and clay Ayurvedic hair mask, first you'll need 2 tablespoons of French green clay powder. French green clay is a popular mineral powder that we sell at the shop, and in its raw form, green clay is super absorbent, full of minerals, and pulls negative toxins from the hair and skin without stripping natural oils. Next, add 1 cup of coconut milk. I love coconut milk for hair care so much because of its conditioning, milky moisturizing, nourishing properties. In Ayurveda, it's often referred to as the miracle liquid because it's helpful for all hair and skin types in DIY self-care recipes. You'll also need 3 to 4 mint leaves. The mint herb helps with dandruff while also increasing energy flow to the scalp, which improves overall hair and scalp health. Make sure you cut the leaves up before mixing your mask together because this encourages the mint essence to activate in your mixture. Alternatively, you can use a couple drops of mint essential oil if you prefer. One of the benefits of DIY Ayurvedic recipes is you can create a whole self-care routine based on your own unique hair and skin needs. Finding what ingredients work for you is part of the natural journey, and Ayurveda makes it so much more fun. Well, that's all for now. Stay tuned for our Ziger Naturals restock at shopziger.com and subscribe for more DIY tutorials. See you next time. Bye!